Alright, hello. Yeah, I'm gonna try my best in this video to show you how to use mobile app to place trade, stop loss and take profit if possible. But I will suggest if you don't have system, then try to get 10 each 10-inch tab. I think it will be more preferable in terms of screen wideness. At least with 10-inch app, you can analyze the market properly before taking a trade. All right. So the only disadvantage of mobile phone is the screen. The screen size is too small for analyzing the market, but you can use mobile phone to trade signals and cancel cancel trade and so on and so forth. Okay, so now I think the major thing I want to do here is to show you how to place trade. I want to show you how to place trade. I think that's the major thing I'm gonna do. So from here now I can see that there is a sudden rise. There's a sudden rise here and a sudden fall here. All right. So moving to the market. Okay. So I need go. Actually, I didn't see any signal of entry, but I'm gonna place the trade just for the purpose of this video. Okay, I'm not saying you should just place trade suddenly. And there's something I forgot to say. We have like three types of traders. We have scalpers. Scalpers are people that enter and come out of the market in 5 minutes, 15 minutes. They are out of the market with their little profit. And we have swingers, people that can hold their position for weeks, months, days. Then we have day traders, people that trade daily and make profit daily, something of such. All right, but me, I would prefer to be a scalper and maybe day trader. Maybe with time, I can become a swing trader that can hold back for days and so on. Yeah. So, but for now, I want to focus on scalping, like making profit in 5-15 minutes, as well as day trader making profit maybe 4 hours and so on. All right. So anyone you feel is comfortable for you, you go for it. Okay. All right. So let me show you how to place a trade. So this is Euro USD 5 minutes chart. Okay, so this arrow here is where to place your trade. All right. So this is your lot size. This is your lot size. Is on 1.0, so we need to reduce it to 0.01. What's happening here? We need to reduce it to 0.01. Please make sure you take okay, this is it, 0.01. That's our lot size. Okay, so we're on instant execution. You can see we also have instant buy limit, which is pending order, sell limit, which is pending order. With time, I'll talk about buy stop and sell stop. All right, I'll talk about it with time, but not now. So for now, you only need to know buy limit if you are entering the market on pending order, sell limit if you are entering the market on sell, but you want it to be a pending order. All right. So we're on instant execution now. So these are the two buttons here, this or this. So actually, I didn't even know what to place now. So I'm gonna place buy. Bam. So I'm in. Yeah, you can see okay, this is for quote, and this is for graph, and this is for where you see the account history and your order. You can see my order is going on. So if I want to cancel this order now, this is it. I just close order. I can modify the order. Okay. So now I think the next thing is how to set stop loss and take profit. So you're gonna bear with me because it's not gonna be easy on mobile phone. Okay, but I think I have some tools. All right, this is our triangular tools, so we use this guy here. We entered a buy market, right? Okay, so I can actually target this height. A minute, let me be sure. Okay, we enter a buy market, so I can actually target. Let me just target this guy. Let me target this guy. Okay, 0.1140. So that is our take profit. So let me see if I can change it to green, because our take profit. Okay, that's our take profit. So our stop loss. What am I seeing here? I'm surprised why the entry price is here and the market is here, so I'm surprised. All right, so now it's time to set our stop loss. Okay, our entry price is at 362. Okay, this is our entry price, 362. So I don't know why this guy is not showing. This guy, I don't know why it's showing here instead of showing at 362. Okay, remember the rules I told you. Your take profit must be 2 times your stop loss. For example, if you are stopping your loss at 50 pip, then your take profit must be at 100 pips. So you are risking, you are trading at risk 1 to reward 2. So that this helps you to sustain your account. So imagine you win just 6 of your trade. Let's just use example. You win 6 of your trade at $100, which is $600, and you lose 4 at $50, which is $400. You're in profit. Okay, so that is the strategy. All right. So after analyzing the market, you can't be 100% sure, but actually you can make it from the market if you analyze the market well and being careful of news. You make it. Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna set my stop loss now. So I'll go back to the same guy. Still go back to horizontal line. Maybe bring it to this place. Oh, I went and choose horizontal line instead of. Oh, no, I don't need horizontal line. Oh, let me go back again. I don't need horizontal line. I don't need vertical line, rather. Go back. I want to delete it. Okay, let's leave it for now. This is what I need. Yeah. So let's assume I'm putting my stop loss at this point. Okay, and this is a support, so my stop loss should be below the support. Okay, that's good. Yeah, so this is my stop loss. Okay, all right. Okay, I believe. Okay, let me change the color to red, because it's a stop loss. Okay, so that is my stop loss, which is red. Let me see how to remove this guy. How will I remove this guy? Yeah, vertical line. Yeah, that's vertical line. Yeah, removed. Okay, so okay, let me just make it a round figure. I prefer making this a round figure. Okay, let me just leave it. I will have just make it 50 instead of 49. All right, so with mobile phone, you have to be you need to know these figures. You need to know these figures. So I need to write this figure down. It's not as easier as doing it on mobile phone. Or let me see if I can copy it. I can't. So let me just copy it down. Okay. Our take profit is at 1.11400. This is our take profit, remember? This guy here. Yeah. So this is our stop loss, and our stop loss is at 1.11349. Alright. So I will now go to the other, which is here. Click on it, right click, and then click on modify other. Did I cancel the other? No, I didn't cancel it. Why the sound? Alright, so this is your stop loss and this is your take profit. Alright, so coming to stop loss, let me see if it can fill it for me. Okay, you can see it's not as that of system, so let me just fill it myself. 1.11400, yeah. Then this guy is 1.11349. Alright, so this is my stop loss and take profit. So I need to modify it, but it's not showing a sign of modifying. I don't know why. I've set everything needed. So that is my problem with mobile phone. But once you use it most time, you get used to it. I don't use mobile phone most of the time. I use my 610. But actually, it would be very nice to get used to mobile phone, because at times you might be, maybe on a transit somewhere else, and you have a trade moving on that you are monitoring on your mobile phone. Alright, so I will have to figure this out. I have to work on this. Give me a few minutes. Sorry guys, I was the one doing mistake. I went and give stop loss figure to take profit and take profit figure to stop loss, so that was caused the issue. So this is our stop loss, and that's why it's in red, underlined in red color. So our stop loss was supposed to be 1.11349. You can see the modifier is showing, so I was actually the one that made the mistake. So there are some figure you will enter, they won't allow you to modify. Okay, you can see the modifier is on now because what I entered is correct. So sorry guys, be careful. I went and used 1.1140 for stop loss instead of take profit, so that's why it's not working. So let me modify now. Done. I've modified my trade. Yeah, so now let's go back to the chart. You can see now, so it's actually nice if one can learn how to do this on mobile phone. So you can see I've set my stop loss, I've set my take profit, and I've entered the market. So let's see how it plays out. Right, so let me use this opportunity to show you some of the features on mobile phone. This is the chart, and how to open any chart is by right clicking. I think there are some charts here. Okay, like let me show you an example of something. If you, I'm having a trade on this guy now. There is difference between this Euro USD. This is an active market. You can see it's showing me spread 11, and then this guy is showing spread 20. So if you have to trade, look for this Euro USD that is showing a lower spread, 11 spread. You can see it's showing 11 spread. And remember, spread is what your broker charge you when you enter the market. All right. So that is how it works. So for example, one of the things I'm going to show you is how to add currency pairs. So let's start here. To add more currencies, you just click here. You see, so we have indices, we have commodities, we have several things, we have major currencies. I think the currencies then are just major currencies. To add other currencies, you can come to maybe this guy. You can see there are other currencies here. If you just click, it will add automatically. It's adding on its own. So I'm just showing you an example. All these guys, now I've added them automatically. You know, maybe with time, if I'm to teach you how to add how to trade indices, you can add some of the indices from this place. And indices is the combination of different stocks, maybe top 20 strongest stocks in the US, top 50 in UK, in Europe, France, and so on and so forth. All right, so that's for that. So that is how to add currencies. So I've added the major currencies. That's why you are not seeing them here. So if yours don't have major currencies, if you just come here, you will see something like Forex, something like this, but not this guy. You see something like this. That is, we even have USD Naira, but I'm not sure if the market is that active. All right. So you see something like Forex, maybe Forex Major or something like that. You see something like Forex Major. How I wish I've not added mine so that I'll show you. But you see something like Forex. So once you click on it, you see Forex Major something. Once you click on it, just like this, you just click on all these guys so that they can be added for you. So you see the major currencies. So that is the first thing I want to show you. So you can see we have a lot of currency. So one thing I wanted to do here, like this Euro USD that I'm trading, I'll just drag it. I want to see how I can drag it up. How can I drag this guy up now? I want to bring it to the top, but I don't know how to do that. No. Maybe it's not. I think it's possible. I've done that before. I want to bring this guy to the top. Advanced view mode. What is advanced view mode? Alright, we can try it, but it's possible to drag it. I want to drag it to the top so that I can bring it to the top. I didn't need this guy. This is what I need. Okay. Alright, you can see the differences now. Yeah, I just got it. You can see all these faded ones. Don't trade them, please. They are not active. No, they are just for price analysis. Okay. You can see that this one is not fade. All the ones that are not fade, you can trade them. You can see they are not fade. They are bold. So trade the one that are bold. Don't touch all these faded ones. All these ones that are fade, don't trade them, please. Only trade the bold ones. Yeah. So that is for that. Remember how to open a chart. Just right click on it, and you can place a new order directly, or you open the chart. Okay. Remember, open chart, and this plus is for placing order. It's for placing order. Okay. So let me go back. Just showed you that briefly. Alright, so this is your graph where you can analyze the market, and this is where you see your account history, your balance, your equity, free margin, margin levels, and so on. And then this is where you see your trade. And be careful, don't enter a trade with more than maybe 1% of your capital. Don't risk more than 1% of your capital. You understand? Don't risk more than 1% of your capital. You might have 100,000. In short, if you have 100,000, enter at 0.01 pip. All right, so that your account will be secure. So at 0.01 pip, which is like 30 naira per movement, it will take almost 3,000 movement against you for you to lose your account. So which is somehow impossible. It's not that easy. It's somehow impossible indeed. For Euro or Great Britain to go against USD 3,000 times. I know it's too much. All right. So take note of that. So I think all symbols, we don't need this. News, we don't need this. All right, so let me show you other features. Like I've showed you how to set up your graph before, so I'm not doing that here. So one of the feature I'm going to show you is, let me open, no, not this guy, this guy is faded. Let me open this guy, open chart. All right, this guy here is used for, maybe you want to measure maybe something like, when I measure something like from here, just want to show somebody pointing something maybe from here to here. You're just trying to show the person from here to here, maybe just something like that. That's all. That is the essence of this plus guy. No, I remove it. Then this guy is our indicator. Where you add indicator on mobile phone, you can also add indicator on mobile phone. That's for this guy. Then this guy is for your, currency pairs. Then this guy is for time frame. If you want to change time frame, which you can also do here, Gary. Then this guy, as I've said before, is for placing order. All right. So, and then this guy here I'm showing you here. This is where we pick all our arrows from. Just click plus. You see most of the arrows can draw several things: vertical and horizontal line, trending line, trend by angle, cycle line, arrow line, equidistant channel, subdiff channel, regression channel, Andrews pitchfork. You see Gann line, Gann fan, Gann grid. You can draw several things, but most of these things, until when you need them before you learn them, okay? Like I don't use most of them. Shapes, rectangle, triangle, ellipse. All right, so that is for this guy. Let me see if there's any other feature I'm gonna show you. Okay, I think this guy is the same thing. This plus is the same thing with that plus. This one is the same thing, and then these are just time frames as well. All right, so let me leave it at this point. You might not enter stop loss and take profit in every trade. Okay, if you are trading at 15 minutes that you are looking at the market or something like that, you might not need a stop loss or take profit. If you are not okay with the way the market is moving, you get out. All right, so most of the time stop loss and take profit are good for a longer time frame of maybe 30 minutes, 1 hour, and you don't want to stay on the system, but not 5 minutes. No, at 5 minutes you are like a scalper. You are trading to make profit instantly. Your eyes is on the screen, watching the screen, okay, just waiting to make profit. Yeah, so stop loss and take profit is mostly used on maybe longer time frame trading, not for scalpers that trade instantly. Okay, yeah. So like I said, we have like 3 type of traders. We have scalpers, people that trade 5 minutes, which definitely I love that. I'm gonna be scalping as well, trading 5 minutes and making my money. That is using 5-minute frame to trade. Okay. Also we have 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Then we have day traders that use maybe 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour. Then we have intraday traders, people that that is day traders. Then we now have swing traders that trade for weeks, months, and they can stay as long as they want in the market. So you choose the best time that fits you and trade. All right, the process is the same, just the time frame that differs. All right, thank you. Be expecting a full tutorial from me, a course I built. I'm gonna forward it to you guys on how to analyze the market, read candlesticks. I hope it benefits and helps you. Thank you. Bye for now.